So if tangent of theta is given by for p over q, then we need to find out the value of p times cosine of 2 theta plus q times sine 2 theta. Let us begin. Now here we're going to use two formulas. The cosine 2 theta, when expressed in terms of tangent theta, it's given by 1 minus tangent squared theta divided by 1 plus tangent squared theta. And then sine 2 theta can be expressed in terms of tangent theta as 2 tangent theta divided by 1 plus tangent squared theta. Now that we have the value of tangent theta, which is p over q, let's try to find out the value of cosine 2 theta as well as sine 2 theta. We have 1 minus p squared over q squared divided by 1 plus p squared over q squared. Now multiplying both numerator and the denominator with q squared, so we get q squared minus p squared divided by q squared plus p squared. Now coming to sine 2 theta, so here we have 2 times p over q divided by 1 plus p squared over q squared. Now we're going to multiply both numerator and the denominator with q squared. That gives us 2 times pq divided by p squared plus q squared. Now we will find out the value of p times cosine 2 theta plus q times sine 2 theta. So let's compute the value. So that will be equals to p times the cosine 2 theta will be q squared minus p squared divided by q squared plus p squared. Added to, we have q times sine 2 theta, that's 2pq divided by p squared plus q squared. Now we can take p squared plus q squared as the common denominator. So we have p squared plus q squared, and the numerator we have p times q squared minus p times p squared, that's pq. Added to, we have 2 times pq squared. So we can combine the first and the third term in the denominator. So that's going to give us 3 times pq squared minus pq whole divided by p squared plus q squared. And let's do one more adjustment. We will take p as the common factor. So we have 3q squared minus p squared whole divided by p squared plus q squared. So this is going to be the value of p cosine 2 theta plus q sine 2 theta provided the value of tangent theta. So when tangent theta is given by p over q.